The Maharajah Jungle Trek. Secrets of the Maharajah Jungle Trek. First secret is Namaste. You put your hands together and say Namaste. Another secret. This is the Komodo Dragon. Probably the most dangerous animal in the park. Mouth is full of bacteria and his teeth are curved backwards. He will eat anything live or dead. And the rock he's laying on is actually heated, since he's cold-blooded. It's a giant flying fox, largest bat in the world. Only eats fruit and vegetables. Wingspan can grow up to 6 feet.
You know why? That's actually because we have local bats here. So we have the Florida bonneted bat, and here at Walt Disney World we have these really big bat houses.
We do have a male tiger, which is Dad. However, typically male tigers have no involvement in breeding. Tigers are very solitary. They're not like lions, they go through the pack. Usually mom will raise the children, and until they are fully grown, she will put them out of the nest to protect herself. She will actually use them as a threat to herself when they are fully grown. Which usually takes between a year and a half to 2 years. Tigers are very territorial.
Another secret. See the flags hanging up? Those are called prayer flags. Supposedly how it works is when you have a prayer, you hang it up as a flag, and when it's disintegrated, and the prayer is answered. Every Disney attraction has hidden Mickeys. There's one right here. The big animal up on the hill is called a Bentang. Over here's another secret. These are storyboards. First one starts out, you see the tree of life. And man comes along and destroys the tree of life. The world is in corruption. Finally the tree of life comes back and everything's back in peace. In the Avery area, they have these little buildings. These are called spirit houses. So supposedly when somebody dies, their spirit goes into there. These two statues at the end are called Fertility Gods. One here, and there's one over here. And depending on which one you touch, determines whether you'll have a boy or a girl. That's the end of the Jungle Trek. This is kind of a hidden gem because it's so far back in the park and not too many people know about it. It's right next to the Kali River Rapids.